Hi, I'm Julamin Magid and I'm 18 years old from 11 years B1.
What is your role?
My role is an actor and I'm also Lucas, which means is main character.
What does it feel like to portray your character?
Ano po siya, as a main character po is nakaka-nervous, nakakakaba. Kasi po bilang isang main character, kailangan mo pong ibigay yung best mo or ng effort mo para magampanan po yung pag-iisang main character.
Are you satisfied with the results of your movie film?
Yes po, I satisfy in our movie film kasi po binigay po namin yung lahat po ng amin makakaya. Nag-effort po kami bawat isa. Bawat po isa sa amin ay binigay po yung lahat ng kanyang makakaya. Para po maganda po yung kakalabasan ng aming ginawang movie film para po may pagmamalaki po namin yun sa iba.